So you can see this is the other suggest I'm talking about, right? So now you can type in your whatever you want to type in here. You can type in Eba wellness product, Eba wellness tea. Like we said, so this is a Chrome extension. You can just come and click add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, now so you can go back to our Chrome extension. I will start using it. This is it. So you can see our Chrome extension is on. You can see the extension started working. So you can see the keywords, the volume of keywords. This is the volume of keyword for FRT is 1.0 k, and then for colon cleanser is 390. So it all depends on, and this is CPC rate. Okay. So it depends on what you search for. All right. So if you want to search for natural remedies, come on. So basically that is how it works. So you just go to Quora, you search, you type in some questions, and then it will give you some, you will get some of these questions, and then you go to Uber suggest after doing that. So now here we go. So these are some of the keywords that you can actually set. This is the primary keyword. This is the number one keyword you should search for. Best tea set for beginners. The secondary should be how to create a mindful ritual tea. A mindful tea ritual. Then the other one should be long tail, is best tea for sleep instead of meditation. Alright, these are keys that you can also search for on your Uber suggest. And then content calendar and SEO optimized blog posts. So this is whenever you want to create posts for your blogs, you have to create a calendar before you start creating posts, right? So this is the calendar. This is the date. You create a calendar for your blog post so that you'll be organized. And this is the date. June. This is the date. This is the topic based on keywords. Then this is the keyword focus, and this is the CTA. The click-through actions. This is the click. This is the button you will put. What will you write on the button that you put so that people can click on your whatever you are written on the blog and you want to advertise it. All right. So now June 10, the date June 10. You can see June 10, and the topic and title based on keyword research is the 5 Best herbal tea for better sleep night. Right? Herbal tea for sleep. Alright. These are the keyword. This is the keyword focus. Herbal tea for sleep. Then the CTA, the box, what you write so that people can click on your blog is shop our calming evening blend. Right? So June 17 is what you will still do, the same thing. And then June 24 is what you will do. So all these are just it's just like calendar that you have to follow to post. All right, that's good, great. And now writing an SEO optimized post, how to create a mindful ritual. So this is how you write. This is the title, how to create a mindful ritual / serenity. The title of the blog, the introduction. This introduction. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of calm is essential for our mental health. What if you could transform your daily tea break into powerful mindful rituals? So all these are the introduction. Then this is the body. The body of the content, use this header 2 for the body of the content. What is a tea ritual and why you need one? This is for header 2. All right. Then another header 2 again. The 5 steps to perfect mindful tea ritual. All right. This is the keyword that we use for our calendar. If you go back to the calendar, exactly the keyword we use. Then the header 3. You can see, because you can on blog, you can create headers. That is different headers, right? So actually, step 1, so that Google will be able to crawl your site very well. That's why we're using these keywords. These optimize keywords. All right. So now, and actually, step 1, choose your intentions, e.g., realization versus energy. Then, header 3 again. Select your tea with purpose. Select your tea with purpose for the tea. Then you link to a product page for relaxing blend. You can put a link there so that people can actually click and take them to your product on that header. Then header 3 again. Step 3, engage all your senses while viewing. So you put an image, a quality image, a high quality photo of an image, right, that contains your carries your product on top of a table or whatever. You can just put a quality image that carries your product, just the way I did on the top, just like this, right? Okay, but do not put the order now. Don't put this order now. Just put the product like a tea like this, correct? Like tea like this, something like this. All right. Then 4, talk about the meta description. You have to describe the meta. Whenever you are creating blog posts on Yoast SEO, you have to put a meta there. So this is the meta you write on your Yoast, so that your Yoast will be able to archive your blog very well, so that Google can rank it. So headlines. This is the headlines you use for your how to create these are the headlines you should know how to use. Like auto, should be using auto, then plus promise auto. So your auto should, after auto, the next thing should be promise. How to make 5 figures, how to be a better person, how to reach out to lost friends and family whom you have lost their contact. Like after the how to, you should make a promise, right? Like this one that says how to unwind your mind with simple evening tea ritual. So you should endeavor to make that promise after the how to. So the number you have to put, this is how to make it an headline. you put a number plus adjective plus a keyword. Like now, this is a 5 soothing herbal tea to melt away anxiety. So it has to be, you have to be a number, then adjective follow, and then keyword, a keyword. Look for a keyword, right? Look for a keyword. The number here is 5. The adjective here is soothing, right? Soothing herbal tea. Then the keyword here, you look for one keyword that you made the research of, which could be this anxiety, or it could be this same herbal tea, or it could be tea, right? Okay. So now the question. Your ad should sometimes come with a question, right? Your ad on Instagram or your ad on Facebook. Like this one says, need a natural way to distress. Need a natural way to distress. Your cup of coffee is waiting. You see? Like this is just mind blowing, right? Now let's take this for example. This is an Instagram ad, right? This is an Instagram ad. And one thing about this ad on Facebook, you only have two steps, like 2 headlines, 2 sentences to be able to draw your client. So you make sure you use that 2 sentences very, very well, because the other one will cut off. It will cut off. So that 2 sentences used to draw their attention very well. Like this is the headline now. Find your moment of calm. It's an headline, right? And then the text that follows this headline, that sentence, that 2 sentences, ensure you use it very well. So it will, because that's what is going to appear on the timeline of those customers, those prospective customers that want to view you. So if you do not catch it, people that are scrolling, it takes like just few seconds to scroll through a timeline, or to scroll through their profile or their messaging app. If you don't have something that will catch your attention, they will just scroll and pass. So that is why you have to create something that will catch your attention. An image like this will also catch your attention, because they want to say, why this guy frustrated, what is, and they will now look at the headline, find your moment of calm. Okay, your day doesn't have to be hectic. So this is what you need for the first sentence. Your first sentence must be captivating. You must be able to capture their mind, right? Be able to capture their mind. And then this is the CTA button. The CTA button also, it should be well planned, right? Not just the headline or the text. So you cannot just say this CTA button now. You now say more view, no, or you say see more, no, right? So that is why you have to plan it. Now I say shop relaxing teas. You say shop relaxing, they know where they are going to. They know that they are going to shop relaxing tea, right? So ensure to use your first 3 lines very, very well on your ads. You should make your headlines to be enticing and relevant to your audience, right? Make it enticing. Make your image enticing also. And then your call to action button. This is the button that displays below your headline and your text. Ensure you use it very well. Tell people what you want them to do. Take 2. Ensure that you can also give them under here. You can give them, okay, now take 2 for 1 price. 2 for 1 price. This thing now you say 2 for 1 price. Or you can slash the price and say normal price is the normal price is 10,000, but 2 is now 2 herbal tea goes for 15,000. So people like things like this. They want something that their money will understand. So this is what you do, and then you create a sense of urgency so that people want to buy now. All right. Okay. So we're moving forward now. So be specific and action oriented on your click through button, on your button. Be specific and action oriented on your call to action button. It should be specific. Avoid generic word like click here. No, avoid such word. Or something like submit. This is more weaker. This is weaker. So this is a strong one you can use. Get your free running plan or download the guide, right? And then create value. The call to action should offer a clear next step that benefits the user. Okay. If you use this one, buy tea. This one is weak. You cannot use this kind of call to action because it's very weak. If you not even like, it will make the users don't want to click on it. Okay. So this is stronger one. This is strong. Explore our tea blends. Okay. And this is stronger. Start your ritual. Connect to the core benefits. Okay. So, and for content, maybe you want to give free content so you can get their emails. You can access their emails. Get this is for the lead generation. This is for lead generation. So for this one, you can say download your free guide on how to build a sexual stamina using our tea ritual. So this one you can use to build your email list. So whenever they see this, wow, they want to know how to use this tea to build through natural way to build their sexual stamina. Okay, now they will not click on this, and then to take them to where they will feed their email address, their full names, and then when they will click submit, then they will now receive the PDF version of the guide, right? So that's how it works. That's how it works. It's a simple thing. Just follow the process, get used to it, and then it's going to work for you. It's going to definitely work for you. Definitely. These are the tricks I use to sell a lot. And then when you start making more money through your sales, I get my own percentage, because actually this is what I call a deep knowledge. All right, deep knowledge. All right, so now we may not dive deep into the practical aspect of running ads on Facebook, how to do it practically, because we have already done it on our Facebook ad course, right? So you can go and get my Facebook ad course so that you can be able to run ads and create a meta business page and do all of that. Okay, you can be able to create Facebook Creative Hub and all of that. So now, assignment. This is your assignment. Your assignment is this. Just the way we create this plan, this research target audience plan. You create your own, right? You create yours. And the task is that create a detailed audience persona for a wellness brand selling organic skincare products, e.g. Glow Natural. Use the wellness oriented Willow persona as a template. Don't worry. This assignment, I will send you the PDF to your emails. I'll send the PDF to your emails. And those of you that are yet to submit your assignment, please do that. Submit your assignment to this email, right? Okay. So now, so that whenever I will email this document to you, so that you're able to get this assignment and work on it, right? So just a simple assignment. You just create your own user persona, the way I did mine. Okay, you just do it like that. You create a detailed audience persona for a wellness brand. This one's way easier because for a wellness brand. Deliverables, you just there's demographics, there's psychographics, personal bio and goals. Okay, so and assignment 2 is you do perform keyword research and intent mapping, just the way we did keyword research. Perform it also. When you perform it, you tell me how you perform it. What was the step that you used to perform it? I want to know. Okay. And then you create a calendar. This is calendar, right? You create a calendar. For assignment 3, design a coded calendar also. That's the way I design my own coded calendar. So you can design yours. Also, this is an example. Week 1, 5 organic, blah blah blah. And so for week 2, week 3, you can create your own. Okay. And then the assignment 4, CEO optimized blog. Write a 500-word blog post titled "How to Create a Mindful Skincare Product for Natural for Glow Natural." Ensure that it has a keyword title tag and meta description. All right. So that is it. Thank you. God bless you.